Just like me, if you are an educator or knowledge provider, I'm sure by now you might have clearly understood how quickly AI is changing the way we work. Technical skills are being automated faster than before. But the skills that truly make us human skills or soft skills, as commonly known as, are in high demand today than ever before. Across the globe, individuals and organizations are deeply investing in soft skills. In fact, the soft skill industry is projected to cross $65 billion by 2030. Having said that, companies are not looking for trainers who can just teach. They are looking for trained professionals who can bring the real change, help people think differently, behave differently, and perform better. Traditional lectures and information dumping is out of fashion and do not work anymore. What works today is experiential learning, conversations, reflections, practices, and transformation. Because today, it is not about certification on the paper. It is about your credibility in the room, your ability to design meaningful sessions, facilitate powerful experiences, and bring real results. That's exactly what SkillsCorp's certified soft skill trainer program is designed for. If you're a trainer, coach, consultant, L&D professional, or HR, or aspiring to be one of this, and want to tap into this huge emerging opportunities in soft skills training, please join this certified soft skill training program. Seats are limited to ensure deep personalized learning experience. And hey, there are scholarships for deserving candidates. Don't miss that.